Hey everyone, my name's Troy Wayland, and today we're gonna be designing with Canva. Have you ever thought to yourself, hey, how do they make that little floaty text come in on their YouTube videos? Or maybe when I'm watching my Netflix or Hulu videos. What is that text? Well, in this, we find out how to create lower thirds for free. Let's jump right in. So once you have your account set up, it'll look pretty plain, right? This is what we're looking at. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop over here to my account. Design, custom dimensions. Anyone can guess, it'll be a 1920 by a 1080. And what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna be working with, typically that's going to be your color green, right? So let's go to background here. You just double click on the background. Go ahead and click on the color wheel and you'll see this highlighted number down here. This is the hex code or the hex value. Go ahead and post that in there and boom, you got the traditional green screen. Now we're also going to be working with layers on top of here. So come over here and I'm going to do layer 1, 1920 by 1080, right? Okay. Come over here, grab my text. I'm going to click on the background and I'm going to click animate at the top left. If I click on block, pretty cool. I really like this block effect. Go over to the top right, press play. Download. MP4 beta. Download the video, click download. At this point, you will rinse and repeat in order to get the exact look that you want for your lower third. We'll go ahead and jump over to any video editing software is going to work here. We're going to take our videos that we had made, our layers. So here's layer 1. Put that here. There's going to be an option here that says Chroma Key. So if I click on Chroma Key, click my image first or second. Either way, you can click it first, then click a second. Color to be hidden, green. Oh, there it is. And we do the same thing with layer 2. Once you get this set up, click play, and there it is. Our lower third just popped up. Once again, looks great. Now to get that to fade back out, I'm going to go ahead and copy these two layers. And you'll do this in any design program. I'm going to add it again. I'm going to extend over my image so I can see the text. Go to speed, reversed, same. Come over here, speed, reversed, and theoretically I should get a nice fade in, fade out type of design. Nice. That is perfect for a lower third. Just to show you what that looks like in Filmora, I'm going to do the same process. Go ahead and drop in my green screen, layer 1 and layer 2. Bring those back together. Going to drop in my image. Okay. Right click, green screen, color selection, use your dropper. Same thing here with layer 2. All you want to do is just resize, re-edit, move it around just a little bit. Once we drop those chroma keys out, it'll go ahead and work through here. This is because in Filmora you do have to render in order to get the clearest image possible by doing the render preview. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you tuning in to check out this design process. If you stuck through it till the end, then you probably came up with something pretty neat inside of Canva. And now you can say to yourself that you're a lower thirds expert. Well, maybe, we're just getting there, right? Everything that we talked about here today is linked down below in the description. I'll see you in the next one.